As you can see here, this ad has been running for quite some time now. It's been running since 23 December 2022, and it's still active. So you can say that this ad has been running for almost 6 months, and the reason why the advertiser is still running this ad is because it's still working for him, and still he is making a lot of money. He is still producing a lot of leads. So that's one of the reasons why this ad is still active. And I'm going to show you guys how you can download this ad, entirely ad. You can save this ad, and you can use this for your own campaign. You can see I have already downloaded this ad. You can use the same campaign, same ads for your own campaign, and you can also replicate the same success that this advertiser is getting. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use ads library to download, to research ads for your clients, and use the ads that are already winning, that are already performing better, and use it for your own campaign. Not copy and paste it, but take inspiration and maybe optimize it a little bit, tweak it a little bit, and use it for your own campaign to replicate the same success that the other advertiser is getting. So first of all, we are going to look into how we can identify if an ad campaign is winning or not, because it is going to be very crucial if you're going to download someone else's ad and use it for your own campaign. It has to be an ad which is already performing better, and you have to have an idea of what type of campaigns or what type of ads are going to be winning, and how you can tell just by looking at them. So let's dive into it and let's start. So let's open ads library first and see how we can look into these ads. And so my niche is solar, so I'm just going to go ahead and search for the country, United States, and the ads are going to be, I'm looking for all the ads that are running into solar, and then I'm just going to type solar here. So once you type solar, you can see a bunch of ads running which are active currently. You're also going to see a bunch of inactive ads. So we are going to apply some filters to make it more interesting. So let's apply these filters. Languages, you're going to keep it all languages, all advertisers. You can search it through advertiser's name, but I would say keep it strictly based on keywords. Platform, you want all the ads that are running in solar, so you want to look them at all. You want to look at all of the ads. Media type is going to be all media type. You can, if you want to search for specific images or videos, you can look, or you can just select those. If let's say you want to download video ads, you can select video. If you want to only look at image ads, you can just go ahead and look at image. It's going to help you if you are trying to find a specific type of media. Let's say you are only looking to get image ads, so I would suggest put a filter of image. If you are only looking to look for video ads, just put a filter of video. We are going to look at both the ads, like image and videos, and see which is performing better, and then I'm going to tell you guys how we can download it, how we can use the same exact ad copy, headline, and all the other element of that ad for your own campaign. So in this filter, active status, we are going to look at the active ads, because we are not going to use the inactive ones, because for the obvious reasons. And the impression by date here, so you see this is for the current date. Today is 12th June, and you don't want to do that, because if you're going to look at the ads which are running for the, let's say, past week, or which started running this week, so it's not going to make a lot of sense for you guys, because you don't have any idea of that campaign's performance. But what you can do, you can just go back in time and look at the ads till 31st March. Then you are going to find a really good portfolio of ads which you can download and which you can use for your own campaign. So you can see here we have tons of ads. We have still more than 5,000 ads, and if you'll do your research properly, you can find tons of ads for your campaign, for your client, and you can also find winning ads. So it's going to be iterative, so you have to keep doing it over the time. Like you cannot just find one ad and stick with that and hope that it's a winning ad. You have to find, that's why I have created this Google Sheet, and I'm going to explain why you need that Google Sheet to store all these ads, to make sure that you have a documented process, documented journey of all these ads, and then you can use it for your test purposes. So let's look into these ads and let's see which type of ads that we can use. So these are all image ads. If you want to look into video ads, I would suggest video ads performs better in terms of quality than the image ones, because video is obviously, it takes more time and it conveys a bigger or a better message. So let's see if you have any better videos here. So you see this one was
I can't believe
This one is running for 23rd December. So this been running for a long time. You can say this has been running for more than 6 months. So I'm going to go ahead and use this ad copy. Oops. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this entire ad copy, and so this is the ad copy that we are going to use, and we are going to store it over here in our research doc. So this is the ad copy, and I'm going to just paste it here. The headline is also going to be part of my research. I'm also going to copy the headline, and now the creative folder. So you have to download the video. I already downloaded it. You can download it by right clicking it, and you can save the video as so you can just directly save the video from here, and once you download it, it will be in your folder. So I suggest get a creative folder where you can this is roofing. We are going to change the name to solar. So now we are going to upload it. So this is the video that we downloaded. So this is the video. I think it will take some time to process the video. Yep, it's still being processed, but once it's been processed, you can see the video here. And so now you have your entire portfolio, like you have one campaign ready to go. So you can see this one. You have the ad copy, you have the headline, and you have also the video. So I want you guys to go ahead and find similar videos, ads like this one. So this is also
not buy solar panels if you live in one of these.
So this is also a different ad from the same page. You can see I think they are running quite good ads. So I'm just if you have power meter, yeah. So you see this ad. This has the same ad copy, same headline, same everything. I think the same link, and they are using different ads. They are just testing out. So what I'm going to do, I'm also going to download this video, and I'm going to call it Solar 2, and then I'm just going to go ahead and upload it over here as well, so that I can split test and see which ad is performing better. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload the Solar 2 one. So you can see the Solar 2 has also been uploaded here, and now we have two creatives here which we can use for our campaign. So what we can do, we can create one campaign, one ad set, and two ads, and we can differentiate that. We can in both the ads we are going to have different videos. So this can be a really good split test for this ad copy and headline. And once you see okay which video is working better for your campaign, what you can do, you can use that video for your other campaigns or your other, let's say, clients that if you are already having. So you have to change your California homeowners. Let's say if you have clients in the other state, you have to use Texas, Florida, whatever it is. But this can be a really important, or this can be really useful way to find ads and to keep testing them and to keep find winning ads. So we already have found. So now if you want to look at more ads from their same campaign, so what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and open their page and see what they are doing. So you have to go here, about, and then you have to page transparency, and you will see all the ads that they are currently running. So just go ahead, you can see a primary country of people who are running this ad. So India, United States. Go ahead and check all the ads. So California Clean Power Energy. So you see we have
California homeowners.
Again, this ad has been running for 9 June. So we are going to look for the ads which are older, and I think they are running quite a lot of ads. You can see they are running more than 27 ads. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at the last one. This is inactive. This is also inactive. I think we can just apply the filters here. I think we can apply the filters for this page, but yeah, I think we can just go ahead and scroll up and see. Yeah, so you can see this one, these are all running for, these are all the ads that are running for more than 6 months. 23rd December, all these ads. And I think this is also
California homeowners.
This is also the ad of, I think, the same ad copy, same headline, and same everything, just a different video. So what I want you to do, I want you to download.
You are sick and tired of paying too much money for electricity? You could get paid to go solar at no cost to you.
Yep.
The best part is the federal government right now is paying thousands and thousands of dollars to homeowners just like you back on your
taxes. For some
taxes.
reason I cannot download this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and download some other videos. I think this is also inactive. Don't touch the inactive ones because they are not going to make a lot of difference. I think this one is also inactive. Active 26th March.
So I've had solar for about 2 years now.
So you can see this is the exact same ad, the same ad copy, same headline, and I can see I cannot also download this ad. 29th May, 24th May.
So I've sold for about 2 years now, and I'm very proven. My interest average about $250. If you're a homeowner in California, you don't actually have to pay your electric bill ever again. Like,
California homeowners, if you are
so
sick
I
and
think
tired of paying,
we cannot download the ads which are from their direct page. So what you have to do, we have to download it from the ads library itself. So you can see this ad is already here. So I'm just going to save this one, and so you can see this page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look into their page, what they are doing, and also look at all their ads that they are currently running. So you can see this is their page, and there is a way that you can see their ad library link. Just go here, the page is currently running ads. You can see all the people who are managing this page, all the people. So you can do the entire research on this page, like where is it managed from, or how many people are currently working on this page, and where's, like, I think there are some marketing agencies. It's not us, but there are some marketing agencies working in India which is running their ads. So go to ads library and you can see their entire ads. You can see all their ads that they are currently running. So you can see all these ads.
California homeowners, if you are sick of
bad thing about this one is, like, you cannot download the ads from their page once you look into their page. So what you have to do, you have to download it from here. Let's say if you see this one ad, I think this is also running since 23rd December. So what I want you to do, I want you to download all the ads. Let's say this one, say video, and I'm going to name it Solar 3, and then I'm also going to upload this in my drive, and I'm also going to test this one out to see how it's working. So Solar 3, so I have uploaded 3 videos with the same ad copy, with the same headline. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to test all of them in a single campaign, in a single ad set. I'm going to create 3 different ads, and I'm going to test out how they're working. So any ad that is going to be performing better for me, I'm going to keep that one active, and I'll turn off the rest of the other ads. So this is how you can do a really good research on Facebook ads library, and you can find out really good ads. You can find out all the ads that are currently active. So you see here, this ad is running for, you see this is active for more, like, about a year, 7 July, and you can see this is a really good video. I can see that. But so what you can do, you can just also go ahead and make this as your second ad copy. So copy this one and go ahead and paste it here. Also paste the headlines. So I think this is for both roofing and solar. If you want to look, you can change it to just solar itself. You don't have to do the roofing, because if your client is not doing roofing, you don't have to. And then what you can do, you can go ahead and maybe create a new folder here, new folder for solar ad 2. And this one also create a new folder. So solar ads 1, and move all the ads here. So solar ads 1, move this one to you can just move them to solar ads 1, and now you have 2 folders. So any ad that you want, you can download, or you can paste it over here. So just go ahead and download this one as well. So video ad, solar 1 to solar 1, and go ahead and just paste it over here. solar one more. Yep. So and copy this link, paste it here. That's it. So now you have two different ad copies, two different headlines, and in them you have three different ads for this first one, and also you can find the same thing for the second one, and you can do that for more and more ads, and you can keep building a portfolio of ads like this one, and then you can just go ahead once you have done your research. That's what we do. We have a research team who does this type of research every single week, and once we have our research, we then go ahead and do our testings, and we see which ad is working better for us, and then we go ahead and work with those ads, and we try to find a winning campaign from that. So this is the basic way, this is the basic method that you can also follow and use it for your own campaigns to find winning ads, and you don't have to struggle to look, because most of the time I have seen people struggling with finding winning ads, because they just look at one ad and they go all right, I'm going to try it out, and they don't find any success with it. So the reason that you don't find any success with it, that you don't have enough ads to rely to. So I want you to use this method. I want you to try out multiple ad copies, multiple videos, multiple images, whatever it is, and see which one is performing better from those ads that you have launched. And once you see a better campaign, better ad running, I want you to optimize it, tweak it a little bit, change your ad copy, change your headline, and see if you can improve it even further. So I think this is how you can do the entire research, and this is how you can find winning ad campaigns. So I hope you like the video. If you have questions, guys, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe.